Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a Nissan Z here, and I'm going to show you how to remove your blind spot indicator panel. Just this little triangle piece right here. I'm going to teach you how to get it off there. Alright, so now that we have the door open, I'm going to teach you how to remove the door panel. You're going to have a lower piece right here, lower piece of plastic. You just pop it free with a pick, and it looks like there's two 10 millimeter bolts. And you're gonna see it's kind of hard to tell, you probably won't be able to see in video, but there's a little opening right here. It looks like it's meant to have a clip go in there so you don't completely destroy the door panel. So push it in, then this pulls out, and then you're gonna have another 10 mil behind that. And once you have those 10 mils out, we're gonna go from the bottom now. And I like to slide my clip remover in between the door and the door panel. Not super far, but just enough to kind of get it to where your fingers can get in there. And then just go around the border of the door panel, pop that free. Once you feel it free completely up, we're just going to lift this straight off of here. All right, so once you have your door panel off, you have access to the blind spot panel right here, the indicator. You are going to have it a plug to unplug. Comes off really simple. You can see there's two locating tabs right there. They're very small. Obviously pull outward this way. This is kind of tucked in the weather strip there. So once you have that freed up, just kind of pull down a little. There you go. That is how you remove your blind spot indicator on your Nissan Z.